Today in reading, we are going to be focusing on retelling. We focused on this many times already, but I wanted to revisit it today just so that you guys are doing it often and getting that practice in. I also wanted to use this time to practice accessing a Google document and filling it out. So when we retell, right, we learned that the best way to do it is to retell across our fingers. Right? We're using transition words to help us make sure that we're including important parts of the story, right? Our retells don't want to be long. We don't want to have tiny details in them. We want to make sure that we include, if it's fiction, the character's name somewhere. Where are they? What's the problem? Solution, and possibly a theme if you can. These are the words that are going to help you. Do you have to use all of these? No, but try your best. So I'm going to read a book to you guys. I'm going to show you how I might retell in a Google document, and then you're going to do the same with your own book. So this is called Dreamers. Okay, so just sit back, enjoy the book. I dreamed of you, then you appeared. Together we became resplendent life, you and I. One day we bundled gifts in our backpack and crossed a bridge outstretched like the universe. And when we made it to the other side, thirsty in awe, unable to go back, we became immigrants. Migrantes, you and I. The sky and the land welcomed us in words unlike those of our ancestors. You can see here, right? People are saying to them, "What? Speak English. Say something." There were so many things we didn't know, unable to understand, and afraid to speak. We made lots of mistakes. You and I became caminantes. Thousands and thousands of steps we took around this land until the day we found a place we had never seen before. Suspicious, improbable, unbelievable, surprising, unimaginable. Where we didn't need to speak, we only needed to trust. And we did. Books became our language. Books became our home. Books became our lives. We learned to read, to speak, to write, and to make our voices heard. Someday we will become something we haven't even yet imagined. But right now, we are stories. We are two languages. We are lucha. We are resilience. We are hope. We are dreamers, soñadores of the world. We are love amor, love. All right, guys. So now I'm going to go back to this Google document. Okay, yours is going to look like this when you log on. So after you're done watching this video, go back to the assignment, click on the Google Doc on the bottom. You're going to see your mini chart here to help you, and you're going to start retelling. Okay, so if I'm retelling this story, I might start off something like this. In the beginning of the book. In the beginning of the book Dreamers, the mother and daughter set off to a new place. Okay, so now if I go back to the text, right, I'm thinking what happened next, right? They set off to a new place. When they got there, they weren't so welcome, were they? So then, when they arrived, they were not greeted or treated kindly. I'm going back to my transitions. After that, right, and then after that, that's when they found the library. Right? I think that's the most important part. Let me go back to my Google document. After that, the two found a library where they discovered books. Okay. Later, they realized that books can help them through difficult times. The books taught them, right? What were some of the things that they said the books taught them? Right? To read.
Yet.
They learned to speak, to write, and to make their voices heard. To write, to speak, and to be heard. Okay, so that's my retell. So here I have a little bit about the characters, right? I have a little bit about the setting. They're off to a new place. They found the library, right? The problem was they weren't greeted and treated kindly, right? The solution was they found, some hope within the books, right? Within the library, okay? And maybe the theme of the lesson is that books can teach you more than you think, okay? So you guys are going to do the same work, but within your own book that you choose to read today. All right, guys. Talk to you later.